Good morning, Team Bliss. Today is Monday, and yeah, I'm getting ready for work. This is the outfit. I am a bit late on some of the videos just because of the weather. If you guys have known the weather in Holland, you guys know the weather is crazy right now, and I'm sweaty. I have no energy of absolutely doing nothing. When I'm downstairs, it's much more better. But as soon as I'm upstairs, I'm sweating. I'm already sweating. Being upstairs is not a good thing. I'm already sweating just being here. I don't know. Should I take you guys downstairs and show you guys my outfit? Because the way I'm sweating here, it is not normal. It's really not normal. For now, we're going to be doing with the natural hair because whew, God knows that I am not crazy enough to be wearing wig or anything right now. Yeah, this this is the time that I'm like, oh, should I just shave off this hair? Even this little one I have, should I just shave it off because of how crazy this weather is? This is my old loafers. I normally wear this when I'm going out, but it's getting old, so I thought, you know what? Let me start wearing it to work. It's very comfortable, very simple. So why not? I'm gonna use this back into this finish. Okay? I really don't have energy to be making. Right now, you just want to wear something fresh, a fruity, fresh smell. I want to put body shimmy oil, but I'm already sweaty and I don't want to put a little bit of moisturizer on my elbow just because it's extremely dry. And with this weather right now, I want to make sure everything looks moisturized and good. Yeah. I put some body shimmy on, or should I just go like this? My leg? Nah, I think I should just go like this. I don't have energy. So guys, this is the outfit look and my work bag. This is the outfit look of the day. I don't want anything to just touch my skin right now. That's how bad it is. I don't want anything to touch my skin. So guys, this is the outfit. There I look like I kind of dress like my Dutch mom. This is her old pants. And yeah, she used to like to wear this with a white shirt and a black or like this ballerina kind of shoe. And so I took this one. I have a couple of her stuff, and I like this one. I thought today, no, let me wear it. I look cute. I look cute. So yeah, this is the outfit. This is the outfit of the day. Simple. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Heel erg bedankt voor je liefde en ondersteuning. Ik waardeer het echt. And hope you can listen to my to sing. I really appreciate your love and support, and I will see you guys on my next video. Team for less. Peace out. Bye.